Hello everyone and welcome to my real estate channel. In today's episode, I'm going to take you to Glenmarie Gardens to view a double-story bungalow. This double-story freehold bungalow is located in a gated and guarded community. So for those who are new to this channel, my name is Cheng and this is my real estate channel. Let's go! This double-story bungalow in Glenmarie Gardens is a freehold property. It has a land size of 9,515 square feet and a build-up of 6,355 square feet. It has 6 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms. The orientation for this house is facing southeast. Hey guys, I'm going to take a time out here and pause this video for a while to tell you that if you like this video and you like my channel content, do subscribe to it if you haven't done so yet. It's at the bottom link there, and so click the bell icon so you won't miss all my future episodes. Now this is the double-story bungalow in Glenmarie that I'm going to show you in this episode. As you can see, the car porch, you can easily fit in 4 cars in total. If you have more cars in the family, actually you can convert part of your garden on site here to be your car porch. So let's go in and let's check out the house interior. Come. So guys, come in and let's check out this bungalow. So the moment you come in, on my right you have a huge living area. As you can see, this space is humongous. You can fit in a 7-seater or 9-seater sofa set at this living space. And this living space has lots of natural lighting and also ventilation. On the front, you also have a sliding door which gives you a lot of access if you're hosting any parties. And on the rear, you have another sliding door which gives you a direct access to your own swimming pool. On the side here, we have 4 windows also for natural lighting and ventilation. And you can see this flooring is a timber flooring on the living area. So let's go and see the other side of the house. Come. So on my left, here we have a guest room. Now this guest room also has quite a large size. You can easily fit in a king-size bed, have a large wardrobe. You can even put it in a decent-sized study table. It also comes with an ensuite bathroom. Now behind me, we have a powder room. So if you have guests coming over, they need to use the toilet. They don't even have to go to your rooms to access it. They can straight away come this side to use the toilet. Right in front of me, which is the pool, and also by the side we have the staircase. So you get a pool view the moment you come in from the staircase. And behind me, we have the dining area. Now before that, under the staircase, we have another storeroom here. So you can see this space of the dining hall. Look at it. I believe this space is big enough to fit a 12-seater dining table, even a round one. Look at the space you got here. And right at this space will be the dry kitchen. So on the dining area, you have a sliding door which is facing the frontward, which also access to the swimming pool, and you have got lots of windows on the rear and also the side. So this space is very big, honestly. Now this is the kind of space that you need if you're hosting a lot of guests or friends coming over for parties. Well, even for your own family, I think this will be a very comfortable place. Now, behind me right here on my right, we have the wet kitchen. Now this wet kitchen is of a decent size. If you feel the space is not big enough for a wet kitchen, you still have ample room on the side and also the back for some extension. Right here, we have the maid's room. I can tell you the maid's room, you can even fit a king-size bed, no joke. It is that huge. But if you put in a king-size bed, of course, we'll have less space to move around. Most of the maid's room, you either put a super single or a double decker, so you can house more than one maid here. The maid's room also has its own ensuite bathroom. Now, if you don't have maid, this room also can be converted to be your parents' room, so you can leave the room on the front to be as a guest room. That depends on how you want to use the space. So now let's go to the first floor and let's check out the rooms there. Come. So when you come out to the first floor, you're greeted by quite a decent-sized family area. Based on my observation, this family hall could even fit a 5-seater sofa, example a 3+2. Right on the side of this family hall, you have a sliding door, or more or less a window. Where you open up, you can have a view of your swimming pool. So the back here, we have another space here. As you can see, this void area, this is where you have your own pantry. So you are thirsty at night and you need some light food or drinks, you can access to your pantry here. You don't have to go all the way down to your kitchen. So on my left, we have another bedroom here. This bedroom size is also quite big. You can fit in a king size bed, large wardrobe, and so a study table. Then this room also comes with its own ensuite bathroom. So on this right side of the house, you can see there's 2 doors here. In fact, these 2 doors access to the same room. This one is a smaller space, like you can turn it to be your home office or your study area, and here will be your actual bedroom. You don't even have to access this door to go into this room because these 2 sides is connected. So these rooms, you can fit in a king size bed, large wardrobe, and also a study table, but you don't have to put a study table here because you have the space here. In this space, you have a balcony and also looking down to your swimming pool. So let's go to the front side of the house. So towards the front side of the house, we have a walking path here. So on my left is a master bedroom, and on the right we have 2 bedrooms. These 2 bedrooms also has its own ensuite bathroom. These 2 rooms will fit a king size bed. You can even install a large wardrobe on each of these rooms and also your study table. You still have plenty of space. So I like to stress out that this bungalow in Glenmarie Gardens, all the rooms are huge. So I'm going to access to the master bedroom now. Of course, the master bedroom is even bigger and it has a large balcony as well. This space, of course, will fit a king size bed definitely, since it's a master bedroom. And if you want to install wardrobe, it's right behind me. Look at the space here. So you can create this space as your walk-in wardrobe, and you can position anywhere of this area to be your working table or study area. So right at this side, we have an ensuite bathroom. This ensuite bathroom has his and her sink, WC, a rain shower, and also a bathtub. This ensuite bathroom and the master bedroom is very brightly lit. It has 90-degree angle for natural lighting. So that's all for this bungalow house tour, and thank you for watching this video from start to end. I appreciate it a lot. And if you want to view this house in person, call me. I'll share my number up here and also in the description below. Lastly, do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. I will share them at this round box here on my right, and also if you want to watch more of my videos, I'll share them at the 2 windows again on my right. My name is Cheng, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.